Alright, so many people make the mistake of filming their YouTube video wrongly. Today I'm going to be showing you how to film a perfect YouTube video, most especially long form video. Many people make the mistake of filming their long form video with a portrait sized camera. That is very wrong. If you are filming a long form YouTube video, your camera is not supposed to be vertical. Your camera is supposed to be horizontal. This is a phone I'm going to use as an example to show you how to film a perfect long form video, because there's actually a difference between a long form video and a short video on YouTube. YouTube classifies long form video like this. So if you are filming a long form video, you make sure your camera is standing like this, not like this. If you stand it like this, it will automatically become a short video. If the video is less than 1 minute, YouTube will automatically push the video from long form to short if the video is less than 1 minute. So filming a long form YouTube video, your camera is supposed to be standing like this, because I see many long form videos online where you will upload a video and your screen will be divided into 3 segments. It will be divided like this. One will be empty, here will be blank space, and the middle is the only part where your face will be showing. That is wrong. That is a very wrong way to create a long form video on YouTube. While creating a long form video, make sure your camera is standing like this. If it is standing like this, it will give you the whole shape of the phone and everything will fit in after posting that video on long form. While if you are filming short, you can stand your camera like this. Yes, if you are filming short, your camera can be this straight and it will give you exactly what you want. It will give you the perfect size for short videos. No matter the phone you are using, no matter the gadget you are using, no matter the camera you are using, do not use horizontal for a long form video and do not use vertical for a short video on YouTube. If you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Sonny. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel as I'm bringing tips that will help you grow your own YouTube channel step by step.